may I have your full name, please?
My name's Sonia Rai.
Okay, and what can I call you?
Everybody call me Sonia, but I also go by Miss Rai. Please call me Miss Rai.
Okay, great. Miss Rai, where are you from?
Well, I come from Nawashahar, which is a small farming community located in the northwestern part of Punjab.
Okay. Let's talk about your hometown. Is it a big place or a small town?
Well, to be perfectly honest, it is a small town. Having said that, though, 6 lakhs, nearly 6 lakhs inhabitants are residing here, and it is home to India's most renowned freedom fighter Bhagat Singh. That's why it has vast historical significance. And if I talk about its transportation system, it is well connected by rail and roadways. However, there is no commercial airport at the moment.
Okay, great. Okay, Miss Rai, let's talk about shopping. Do you like shopping?
Undoubtedly, I like shopping, and I'm a mad keen on doing shopping these days through online mode.
Okay, great. How often do you go for shopping?
Without a shadow of a doubt, I go to shopping fairly regularly, and I tend to go with my friends and family members during weekends and on some occasions like festivals and some marriage ceremonies at home.
Okay. Miss Rai, when did you go for shopping last time?
To be honestly saying, a couple of days in the last month, I went for a shopping to buy roller skates for myself along with my mother.
Okay. Do you like window shopping?
Well, that's a tricky question actually. I don't like window shopping, but yes, sometime if I have spare time, then I usually go with my friends and just have look and come back.
Okay, great. Okay, so Miss Rai, now I'm going to give you a cue card. Okay.
Okay.
Your topic is describe something you bought but don't often use. Okay.
Okay.
I repeat, describe something you bought but don't often use. Your cue card is on your screen. Okay.
Okay.
And your questions are what it is, when and where you bought it, what it is used for, and why you bought it, and explain why you don't often use it. You have 1 minute to prepare. Okay?
Okay.
I'll tell you when to start and when to stop.
Okay.
Okay. So, Miss Rai, your time starts now. Please prepare.
Okay.
All right, Miss Rai, your time is up. You may start, please.
Okay. A while back, I went to the Mall of India located in New Delhi. I bought some roller skates because I wanted to get back into shapes. I had been rather lazy and inactive and needed to do some exercises. So, what's more, I had seen other people like old and young skating in the local park. So, I was quite envious after their freedom and energy. I guess I coveted their skills, so I think deep down, and I just wanted to be cool and hip like them. Therefore, I nipped down to the store to buy roller skates, a pair of roller skates for me. And I would say I wanted to find out why some skates were so much over expensive and overpriced. I browsed a few different shops, and finally I ended up buying an affordable pair of black skates for me. But unfortunately, it was November, it was autumn, and then winter sets in, and roller skates were just lying off. I just kept putting it off, and so the roller skates sat in the shelves and gathered dust. But how I feel about it, I don't feel bad about it, but I'm sure that once the weather perks up, I'm ready to I will round to using for that. So this was a
Okay, Miss Rai, do you think street markets are less popular than past?
sorry, would you mind repeating the question?
Sure. Do you think street markets are less popular now than past?
Uh, Speaking for myself, I don't think this is the situation nowadays. It is, I believe, it is the same thing which were being used to do for street markets as well as mall. However, the difference lies in the popularity of malls, upcoming of more malls and luxury shops, but their street market still prevails in the society in some areas which are assigned.
All right, great. Thank you, Miss Rai. This is the end of the speaking test. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.